Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we're diving into the Google app, one of the most powerful tools you probably already have on your phone. We'll show you what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. The Google app is a powerful all-in-one search and discovery tool made by Google. It's available on both Android and iOS and lets you search the web, use voice commands, get real-time news updates, discover content and more. Now to get started, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, search Google on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and you'll see the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Open up the app and sign in with your Google account, then allow location access and notification permissions for personalized results. Now your Google app is ready to go. So now to search, you can see the search icon right here. So tap on that to search, or you can also use the microphone icon right beside. So you can also tap on that and then you can speak to find anything. Then use the Google Lens beside the microphone icon. You can see the camera icon right here. You can use that to scan objects, translate text, or find similar items online. And to discover feeds, scroll down to see personalized news, weather, sports updates, and trending stories. You can also tap any card to read more or follow a topic. Like you can tap on the microphone icon and say what the weather or set a timer for 10 minutes. It's like having Google Assistant built into the app. You can also save links, images, and searches to your collections for easy access later. Then tap on your profile picture at the top of your page. So here's the profile icon. Tap on that and then go to the settings to manage your search history and privacy controls. So scroll down to find the settings option. So here's settings, you can tap on that, and so here you can see the history tab and you can find your saved posts and collections here, and then you can also change your passwords from here. Then you can also turn on dark mode for easier viewing and use the reminders feature to set up alerts and to-dos. You can even track packages, view recent searches, and find nearby restaurants. And that's it all about the Google app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.